Welcome back to Study Hour, your animated guide to molecular magic. Today, I'll reveal how weak forces like van der Waals, electrostatic attractions, hydrogen bonds, and hydrophobic interactions hold biomolecules together. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more visual science. Proteins fold, DNA strands pair, and cell membranes form thanks to subtle forces between atoms and groups. Individually weak, these interactions sum up to create life's stable structures. Imagine a protein chain collapsing into its unique 3D shape, or a DNA double helix zipping perfectly closed. Stabilizing forces really are the molecular glue that makes life possible. Now let's zoom in on van der Waals forces. These arise from fleeting charge imbalances in atoms. They're vital for close packing think-stacked bases in DNA or the tight core of a folded protein. Here's a quick visual. Two nonpolar atoms drift close, momentary dipoles glow, and they attract like magnets. For example, base stacking in DNA van der Waals contacts between aromatic rings add helix stability. Next up, electrostatic interactions, ionic bonds. When fully charged groups like lysines NH3+ and glutamates COO meet, they snap together. These salt bridges are stronger than van der Waals forces and help fine-tune protein folding. In lysozyme, a salt bridge between asp and arg helps maintain its active shape. Let's talk hydrogen bonding. These bonds form when a hydrogen atom, covalently bound to nitrogen or oxygen, interacts with another electronegative atom. Hydrogen bonds are crucial for DNA base pairing and for holding proteins in their A helices and B sheets. 3 hydrogen bonds between guanine and cytosine make that base pair even more stable than adenine-thymines too. Finally, hydrophobic interactions, water's push. Nonpolar groups avoid water and cluster together, driven by water's own hydrogen bond network. This hydrophobic effect powers membrane formation and the protein's buried core. In cell membranes, hydrophobic tails face inward, shielding themselves from water. If you enjoyed this quick tour of molecular glue, hit like, leave a comment on which force surprised you most, share with your study squad, and subscribe for weekly animated science deep dives.